friends. Hope you guys are well today. And welcome to Tony's Kitchen. I am so excited to share this recipe with you guys. This is one of my favorite dishes. As always, the ingredients will be down in the description box. I want to thank all of my old and new subscribers. I really appreciate the support. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. All right, guys, let's get started. So today we're making stewed brown chicken and potatoes. So here I have about 3 pounds of boneless chicken thighs, and we're going to season them with chili powder, ginger, some Worcestershire sauce, pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper for some heat, one tablespoon of green seasonings. Now this is the Caribbean green seasoning. It's made out of parsley, thyme, bell peppers, garlic, and shallots. Green seasoning is the one key ingredient when it comes to cooking any meat or fish in the Caribbean. 1 onion and tomatoes. I didn't have a whole tomato, but these cherry tomatoes would do just fine. Going to stir that up. Give it a good mix. So now we are going to brown the chicken. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the pan. Add some brown sugar. The brown sugar is not to sweeten the chicken, but just to brown it. Going to stir it until it gets to this consistency. Now it's time to add your chicken. We're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes until it gets brown. Making sure that you get all the brown sugar off the bottom of the pan. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. It's looking really juicy. So now we're going to add about 4 potatoes, cut up in 4s.
You want your potatoes cut big so that they won't become too soft while cooking.
We're going to add about 3 to 4 cups of water.
It's been boiling for about 10 minutes.
So now we're going to take a little bit of this juice, because I like the gravy to be a little bit thicker. I added 2 tablespoons of flour to the juice. I'm going to stir that up, and this would be our thickening agent. We're going to turn this down on medium-high and cover it up, not fully, just leave a little slit like that for about 20 minutes. So guys, it's been about 20 minutes. The chicken is done. We're going to stick a fork in the potatoes just to thicken up the gravy a little bit. Now at this point, you can eat it like this. If you like your gravy a little bit thicker, you can let it cook for a little while longer and serve it over a bed of rice.